Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are hearing this our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only progress news, and we bring it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we don't hide the truth. Yes, so we say it the way it should be. I know that a lot of people will be saying, oh, progress news, your own is too much. Progress news, you do this, you do that. Let me tell you, I always speak the truth, of which you know. If you follow me, you know that I give room to everybody to air their opinion in the comment section. Likewise, we also have eyes. We have ears to see. So today I brought you a wonderful one. But before I will go, let me greet you according to your time. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time. So thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support.
Oh yeah.
So my wonderful family, today I have brought another open check for you. There is something that a lot of people did not know about this Mnk'S Simonekpa as they normally present it.
Tell them.
There is something that a lot of people don't know the reason why people followed him. They don't know.
Truth.
See, people followed him because of his truthfulness.
Right on.
There are many things that Mnk'S Simonekpa has revealed.
Basic truth.
There are many mysteries that he has set before us. There are many eye-opener spirits that he have given to us, and most of them, in fact majority of them, if not all,
Exactly.
turn out to be the way he said it.
True disciple.
It's difficult for you to see that Mnk'S Simonekpa say something that did not work out or that did not reveal his or herself at the initial stage or at the end or towards the end.
The dragon.
You remember vividly when he made a statement. He speak to Mnk'S Nnamdi wife. He said, be very careful. When you are going to this place, don't talk about your family. Don't talk about Mazi Kanu. Don't talk about your relationship in that place. Don't discuss the health of Mazi Nnamdi. If you do, a question mark, big question mark like that. If you do, it's going to backfire. And what happened? Today, it has already backfired.
I tell you.
Today, this thing has turned around. You see the interview that Mrs. Usheshi went to do there. The interview that
Return to sender already.
Mazi Nnamdi granted in Radio Biafra.
That is the fact.
Thinking that he's trying to cajole the people, thinking that he's trying to pull people down. But at the end of the day, as I am talking to you, can't you see that the interview backfired?
Mazi Nnamdi wife.
The second one that he did, most of the problem that is taking place right now, the second one that he did, he went and he gave the autopilot name. Parasite.
Mazi Nnamdi wife.
Automatic pilots and all that, just mocking them. But at the end of the day, where is Mazi Nnamdi wife to come and defend herself and defend the statement she made towards the husband? Mazi Nnamdi is hurt.
It's sad.
Do you remember what Mazi Nnamdi said in a particular broadcast when he said, anyone that I curse, the person is cursed? He said, a lot of people's life is going up and down. Their life did not have direction because he cursed them.
It's true.
Now, let me reverse your mind back to a man that Mazi Nnamdi prayed for, to a son that Mazi Nnamdi prayed for, to
The
a
dragon.
son that Mazi Nnamdi said, listen to him.
Correct.
Mazi Nnamdi brought Mnk'S Simonekpa, ordained him, and said, this is my beloved son. He is taking this struggle to a new dimension. He said, you must listen to him. And believe me, great lovers of freedom, beautiful people of Biafra, I should be so glad that in one way or the other, I am fulfilling the desire of Mazi Nnamdi by following Mnk'S Simonekpa and listening to him, because yes, a lot is happening of which you should not be left behind. Now let's take a look of it. We've been shouting about the health of Mazi Nnamdi, and a lot of people are thinking that, oh, you people are wishing Mazi Nnamdi to be deleted. You people are wishing Mazi Nnamdi to turn RIP. No. He said, what you don't know is bigger than you. When Mazi Simonekpa was screaming this, there is a lot of backlash. Like, people are after him. People are saying, oh, you don't know what you are saying. And you know, if you are not strong, if you don't have double legs to be so strong, you are going to fall by the wayside.
Cleared vision.
Now, the person that came out to say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is even stronger than someone that is walking on the street. We are still waiting for that same person to come and change the narrative. Now, my question is, don't you think that DSS will use the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a witness when the time comes? I am telling you the truth. What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should have done and what people are expecting from her is that she should cry to the world that very fateful day.
Mysteries.
Be so concerned about the health of the husband. Be so concerned about the release of the husband. Scream out and tell people the welfare of your children missing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But no,
This is the fact.
reverse was the case. And you are saying that nobody should say anything about it. It is impossible. We got to talk. And the bottom line is, Barrister Ejiofor could not hold his tears when he went to visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yesterday. That is the 19th day of September 2022. And he wrote, he said, this court order is gravely fronted with impunity by the DSS as efforts made by Onyedu's personal daughter to see him at the DSS facility where Onyedu is currently being detained was rejected by DSS. And he moved further to say that presently Onyedu is passing through a lot.
So sad.
And he need urgent medical solution.
Heartbroken.
And you know, with this gastrointestinal disorder that is passing through, there is every tendency that is going to affect him. Like a heartburn disease is there, diarrhea is there, bleeding is there, pains are there.
Too bad.
That even the sheep test
He was denied all his rights.
or the list of the prescribed pain relief, that is painkiller tablet that could provide or allow the pains to have a little relief on him, they refuse that he should take common paracetamol. And he moved further to say that because of this, Chief Mike has immediately swagged into action to ensure immediate end of this maltreatment and impunity. Nevertheless, we still deem to tell the world or to place the world on notice that should anything untoward happen to Onyedu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the DSS and the federal government of Nigeria should be held responsible. This is just so emotional. This and many others I could not really brought out fully. Now, the bottom line is,
God will put all his enemies to shame.
the reason we said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife need to come out and reverse what he said, or to make us understand more clearly her purpose of saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is even better than someone that is walking on the streets, we want to know. Now, it will come to a time that DSS is going to use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife as a witness, because Barrister Ejiofor is not saying things are not moving well. DSS should be held responsible. Why the wife said no, DSS, they are doing a great job.
Surprisingly.
DSS, they are working well.
Imagine that.
DSS are in the right track. Because people will say, instead they listen to Barrister Ejiofor, they are going to listen to the wife of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he understands, or he is closer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu more than any other person. And for that reason, what will you say to it? That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is better than someone that is walking on the street. If he's better than someone that is walking in the street, will Barrister Ejiofor said,
Surprise.
in case if anything happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, DSS should be held responsible.
God of mercy.
What will you say to this? That is why I said Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife is going to stand as a witness when the time comes, because Mazi Simonekpa told you before that this your interview is going to backfire, and today here we are. It has already backfired, but we are still waiting because our eyes is on the big ball, and we know that being that the autopiloters the truth is already out. I know very well that everything is going to work together for our good, because it can only end
God of justice.
praise. And at the end of the day, we are going to win, because we are winning already. We are winning already. Come to think of it, a time will come, they will say, because Mazi Simonekpa intrude into this issue, we are going to allow a medical personnel to attend to the health of your leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the news is going to change. I bet you. Just mark this. Because
A lot is taking place.
let me leave you, because if ye that have ears, let him hear. You know the truth already. There is no way for someone to try to talk too much, because I now understand that a lot of people, they are aware of the truth. And another thing, when we are sharing the video telling people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not fine, they are after you. They tell you, oh, why are you saying this? Why are you doing this? Why are you saying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not fine? Please, this is the time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need us mostly. We need to alert the world. We need to tell the world about the health of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is why the lawyer could not do it alone. And he said, no, I have to let the people know that the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not good at all. Even when UN said they should release him, did you see that the federal government of Nigeria, did they bother? Did they shake themselves? No, it's still the way it was. So we need to speak up and nothing more. It's only the truth that can set us free.
True talk.
Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe until I come your way next time. I still remain your one and only Progress News, and I sign out.